Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to live stream on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So firstly, we will need just to open our application and you will need to log in into your account. So basically, after logging into your account, we will need just to start creating new items or have some content so we can start going live. And basically, to create anything on your profile, we will need just to click on the plus sign here on the toolbar at the bottom. You click on the plus sign, and here we will find this toolbar. So basically, if you are eligible to go live, you will have the live icon here. So if you do not have this live icon here in the toolbar, that means that your account is not eligible to go live. So basically, to have the eligibility, you will need to do some tricks. First, you will need just to have like 18 years old. You will need just to have some followers or some views. Of course, you will need just to be active on TikTok. And of course, you will need to have your account to be verified and you have everything well in your account. So make sure that you go to the settings, and here we will find the account settings at the top. So basically you go to account, user information, make sure that your phone number and email are already verified, and you can change also, try to change your account region so you can try to have the eligibility and you have the ability to go live on TikTok. So basically, this is how you can go live or to go live stream on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you next time.